why your brain erases some memories and protects others. You remember this, you forget that. Why? Memory isn't broken, it's selective. Why? Most people believe memory works like storage. You experience something, your brain records it, later you retrieve it. But that is not what actually happens. In controlled laboratory studies, people confidently recall events that never occurred. They remember conversations that were never spoken. They forget moments that once felt unforgettable. Two people can live through the same experience and remember entirely different realities, and neither of them is lying. So here is the quiet question behind it all. If memory shapes identity and memory is unreliable, why do we remember some things and forget others? Human memory is not a recording device. It is a biological process shaped by attention, emotion, repetition, and survival priorities. Memory involves three stages: encoding, what the brain notices; storage, what the brain keeps; retrieval, what the brain allows access to later. Forgetting can occur at any stage. This affects everyone: children and adults, students and professionals, eyewitnesses and experts. It happens daily. Names disappear, faces fade, entire years compress into fragments. And yet other memories, sometimes trivial, sometimes painful, remain vivid for decades. This is not random. It follows rules that are rarely discussed together. Fact 1. Emotion strengthens memory. Events tied to fear, shock, or joy are more likely to be remembered. Fact 2. High emotion also distorts memory. Stress hormones can fragment recall, alter details, and create false confidence. Fact 3. Repetition reinforces memory. The more often something is recalled, the stronger it becomes. Fact 4. Each recall slightly changes the memory. The brain rewrites the past every time it accesses it. Fact 5. The brain prioritizes usefulness. Memories linked to survival, habits, or patterns are retained. Fact 6. Meaningless details are routinely discarded, even if they mattered emotionally at the time. Fact 7. People forget trauma. Fact 8. People also remember trauma too vividly. Both are documented. Both are normal. Placed side by side, these facts reveal something uncomfortable. Memory is not designed to preserve truth. It is designed to preserve function. This system affects real outcomes. Eyewitness testimony, long considered reliable, is now known to be one of the leading causes of wrongful convictions. People misremember faces, they confuse timelines, they fill gaps without realizing it. In education, students can recall incorrect information with confidence, especially if it was learned early and repeated. In personal relationships, conflicts persist because each person remembers a different version of the same event. In mental health, some individuals are haunted by memories they cannot escape, while others lose access to formative experiences entirely. Memory does not simply record life, it edits it continuously. Selective memory has advantages. Forgetting reduces cognitive overload. It prevents emotional paralysis. It allows adaptation. But there is a cost: lost histories, altered identities, conflicting realities. Those who remember differently are often blamed for inconsistency. Those who forget are seen as careless. Yet the system that governs memory operates outside conscious control. The brain decides what matters. The individual lives with the result. So the question becomes quieter and heavier. Who benefits when memory prioritizes efficiency over accuracy? And who absorbs the consequences? Early psychologists once believed memory worked like a filing cabinet. Later research overturned that idea. By the late 20th century, neuroscience revealed memory as reconstructive, not archival. The system evolved not to preserve the past, but to navigate the future. Accuracy was optional. Survival was not. The rules never changed. Only our expectations did. So now everything comes together. Memory defines identity. Memory is unstable. Memory edits itself. And the brain, not the person, decides what stays, not based on truth, not based on fairness, but based on usefulness. Which leads to the question that lingers. If memory shapes who we are, and memory is allowed to rewrite reality, why do we remember some things and forget others? What do you think determines what stays? Is forgetting a flaw or a feature? Is memory protecting us or controlling us? If this unsettled you, explain why. No opinions were given in this video, only facts. The answer belongs to you.